Welcome back. I think you're gonna love today's workout, focusing on some lower body mixed with upper body, giving you a complete workout in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. I'm gonna start out using a little bit of a heavier weight, 15s. You use 5s, 10s, 2s, use no weight if you'd like to. We're gonna start out with a curtsy stepping lunge. Take one leg back, off to the side, down, hug the front knee in, and then back up again. Opposite side. We're doing a little bit less leaning forward. Try to keep your torso upright. That way we keep the power in the glutes and hips rather than putting all of that into the lower back. Now belly hugs in as the knee of the front leg hugs in. If you don't like the weights, don't do the weights. If you just want to do a simple step back, do a simple step back. This is more about where your body is at, honoring that, challenging that, and less about saying to yourself, I can't do it like her. All right, nice work. Next one is a split stance squat with a hammer curl. So I'm gonna turn sideways. Split stance is where your stance is just barely split. So my foot is just behind the heel, okay? So we're gonna go down into a squat as low as you can go. Come up, glutes engage, hammer curl. We're gonna stay on this side the whole time. So down, 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 sit back into your heel and ball of the back foot and curl up, core and glute squeeze. So down, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the core, bring the weights to the shoulders. Now notice when you curl, the shoulders should not be rounding forward. Nice, consistent pace. We got 15 counts. If this is your squat, so be it. Every single time, notice if you can go just a little bit farther. We're gonna sneak one more in. Whew. All right, next one is a standing split hinge with or without weight. So if you'd rather use the wall here, you can, or something to lean onto. We're gonna alternate legs. Little bend in the base knee, coming forward, and then back up again. And then opposite side. Maybe you're only gonna tip an inch or two, and that's fine. Maybe you're gonna lean and have your hands on a stool or the wall, and that's fine. I'm not rounding, I'm keeping my back super straight. So the second you start to round like a macaroni noodle, that means you've gone too far. If you have to lock your leg out, you're trying to go too far. So I want you in those hip muscles. I want you to feel shaky on the base leg. One more. Whew. All right, back to that split stance. So opposite foot. Remember, we're just behind the heel. We're gonna do that same kind of split stance suitcase squat. Glutes are strong, core is strong. Down, up. This time it's a bicep curl. Down, bicep curl. Bring the weight into the heel and the ball of the back foot. Core squeezes, glutes engage like they are on fire. For those of you that sit all day or have lower back pain, I hate to break it to you, but those glutes gotta get turned on. Remember, don't bring the shoulders to the weight, bring the weight to the shoulders. You should be feeling a little quad on the back leg. That's a good thing. Whew. Nice work. Last one, I'm actually gonna drop down in weight here, is a figure 8. So not super heavy because we're out in front. Hold one weight, feet are at a hips distance, pelvic neutral, shoulders down and back, weight comes up shoulder height, and we're gonna draw figure 8s. Now if you feel like, whew, this is really hard, get rid of the weight and hold the hands together and just do the figure 8. You can also do it a little bit closer in. It's gonna be a little bit less about the shoulders, a little bit less focus, and still a good challenge. Let's reverse it now. I always think of this as like the unnatural way. Make space around the neck. Doesn't have to be big. Engage your glutes. Keep the tailbone underneath you and the front ribs from popping. 10 seconds, don't quit now. Keep with me. the shoulders up to the ears, down and back. My friend, great job today. I am so impressed at the dedication you have towards yourself in building strength. I can't wait to see what you do on your journey ahead. Remember, it's the small, simple changes that lead to the big results in your life so that you can feel good again. Until next time.